Welcome back to our channel, Ma and me. Hi. So tomorrow is Raksha Bandhan. So I've created a look like this for Raksha Bandhan, and there are more festivals just around the corner. So if you want a nice glam look, do continue. I just cleaned my face with this face wash. It is from Dermavive. It is the Hydra cleanser. It's for sensitive skin. So this is an oatmeal based cleanser. So it's very mild on the skin, and if you have sensitive skin, it is really very good. L'Oreal has this Revitalift. It's the Crystal Micro Essence. So this is basically for smoothing and radiance. So after washing your face, I just take like 2 to 3 drops, rub it on your hand like that. That's all. You don't need to do anything else. You just pat it like that and leave it for 10 seconds. Just leave it, so let the skin absorb it. So I use this, it's by Nutriderm. It's the moisturizing lotion vitamin E. So the next product after your moisturizer is a primer. So I had bought this when I traveled abroad, so I'm not very sure of the price. So basically you put primer to just even out your skin. Especially in these areas, you're going to pat it a little extra. And just gently apply it. Now comes concealer. So for concealer, I'm using the one from Maybelline. This is the Instant Age Rewind Eraser. Now, I found that the shade is a little light for me, and I need one shade darker. So what I do is, I haven't bought another concealer of a darker shade. Since I have a nice foundation as well, so I mix a little of my foundation with the concealer, mix it over here on my hand, and then I apply it. So it does the job. So you just twist it like this. ₹549. So I've applied the concealer, and now I'm just putting a little foundation along with it because of the shade not matching. Now I've almost completed my concealing under my eye. Now if there's any marks you want to conceal, like maybe 1 or 2 pimple mark, or if you have any slight pigmentation besides your lips, you just define the face a little bit. If you have a beauty blender, it will be really nice. Wet it, squeeze it. So I basically do everything with a beauty blender or a brush. All I do is blend it like this. And now it's time to put foundation. So as I told you all, I use this, the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, shade number 220. It depends on how much of coverage you want. I don't put too much of foundation on my face, so I just need a thin layer. Just dab this all over your face. With your same blender, just bounce the sponge onto your skin. And remember, one more thing is, when you're using foundation, you got to take it and blend it into your hairline. Otherwise, you'll have 2 different shades. And on your ears, So you blend it like that into the hairline. Okay, the ears, add on your neck also, otherwise the colors won't match. And if you're wearing like a choli or a revealing top, you'll really find the difference. So into the hairline, on the ears, neck, and as low as the top you're wearing, you have to put foundation all that area as well. So you just, and if you want to use a brush, yes, definitely use a brush. So the foundation is done. Now you need to set your makeup with powder. So I use two varieties of powder. One, I use this Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. So this is one. The second one is Makeup Revolution Banana powder. This is for 950 rupees retail price. So I use a combination of both of these, and this is also loose powder to set my makeup. So now I'm starting with this underneath my eyes. So all you do is, it's like this, just tilt it a little bit and dust some powder in the cover. This is how I use mine. Put your brush, take a generous amount, dust a little bit off, and then press it nicely underneath your eye to set your concealer. So if you're using just a powder eyeshadow, then you do not put any compact over here, because you need your concealer to be like a base for putting your powder eyeshadow. But today I'm not just using powder eyeshadow, I'm using the cream crayon eyeshadows. So you pack it over here like that. Do the same with the other eye. Press it. And if you're just using powder eyeshadow, just put a little extra and just leave it over here, so that if there's any fallout with the eyeshadow, you just take your brush and dust it off later, and all the powder will come out with your eyeshadow as well. And now for the rest of the face, I'm going to use some banana powder. Dusting some of this in the Maybelline cover itself. Dust it off, let the excess go like that. Since I have oily skin, I tend to add a little extra powder at times. And put powder wherever you have put foundation. So for the brush, this brush is from MAC, and this is their powder brush. Now you have sealed your makeup. My T-zone is a little extra oily, so the T-zone I add a little extra powder. So now my base is all complete. So I don't do any contouring or anything at the moment. After I do my base, I do my eyes. So I don't really do anything with my eyebrows, so that I'm leaving plain and simple. So for the eyeshadow, I'm using these cream eyeshadows. So this is the L'Oreal La Stylo Smoky Eye Crayons. So these are for 785 rupees. So I'm using two of the gold shades. One is 109, one is 102. So first I'm doing a smoky look. I'm doing a gold and black smoky look. So for the gold, I'm using the L'Oreal pencil. So just apply a gold base like this along your entire lid. I'm just doing a quick eyeshadow look today. That's why I'm using these crayons. One eye done. So both the eyes, gold is done. For the black, I'm using this from K Beauty. This is the matte crayon sticks. They have matte and metallic. This is the matte, this is the black. So what I do is, like the entire lid, I put gold. Now just in the crease, okay, in the crease, I put black. I start with the crease, and then I'll put at the outer ends of the eyelid as well. So I'm just defining the eye by putting it in the crease. Okay, now I'll just take a little bit towards the end, leave it like this till we blend it. It depends on how much of black you want. You want some more black, we can add some more black. Now I prefer a nice blackish look, so I'm deepening mine just a little bit. Now y'all can play around with the colors according to what you like. So now let me do the second eye. So it looks like this as of now. So now I'm going to put a powder eyeshadow above this to seal it. For the eyeshadow, I'm using the Maybelline 24K Nudes. Now this is a very nice palette. It's for 900 rupees, and the best part is you get so many different shades to work with. It has like 1 or 2 matte shades. The rest are very shiny, which I love. So the light shade, I'm going to use this palette. It's by Chanel, and this particular shade is beautiful. When this blended with black, gives an amazing look. So I've taken gold from here, dust off the excess, otherwise this fallout will happen over here under your eye, so you don't want that. So dust off the excess. Now just pat it over here. So you just pat it on half the eye. If you need a little more, you can take a little more. So I need a little more, so take a little more. Dust it, you can see all the powder flying, and pat it into the eye. Now you can see the difference is already started to come together and look nice. So I'll do the other eye now, the same thing. So the gold has been done on both my eyes. Now I'll do the black. So for the black, I'll just take a little of this black here. Dust it very well because I don't want black falling on my face. See, generally it's up to you what you like. Either you can first do your eye makeup and then do your base, or do your base and then do your eye makeup. So at times I do it the other way around. I just do my eyes first and then do my base. But today I started with my base, so I said first I'll do my base, no problem. Do the black now. Just pat it in. Pat it in. And if you see, like, it's all coming together. It's like blending together. If you want more black, you can apply more black. So I'm going to do this eye now. Now for the eyeliner, I'm applying this. This is by Maybelline. This is their Hyper Gloss. And this is for approximately 310 rupees. This is their Hyper Gloss eyeliner. So I'm going to apply this now. So I love this extended eyeliner look. So I'm going to do that today. So, and I like my eyeliner thick. So that's almost done, and now I'm just filling in the insides. See, thick extension. I love this. One eye done. Now I'm just completing the second eye, and I'll be back in a second. So the eyes are done. Not complete, but the eyeliner is done. Now I'm going to use the mascara. So this is also of Maybelline. This is the Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara. So this I had picked up a few months back. I'm not really sure of the price. So first I'm going to put this, then I will put the false lashes. I haven't curled my eyelashes today, but generally I do curl them as well. Not always, but at times, yes. Don't put false lashes all the time, but just to give it a complete look, I would be putting it today for y'all. So yeah, I haven't put highlighter here as yet, but when I put highlighter on my cheekbones, then I will put over here. So mascara done. So for the false lashes, I'm using Miss Claire's false lashes. This is for approximately 195, and I also bought a glue, the waterproof adhesive from them. This should be approximately between 100 150 approximately. I'm not very sure of this. So I added the adhesive. Just continue pressing it, and once it dries, you won't be able to notice the white color of the adhesive. So one eye done, falsies has been put. Now I'm going to put the second eye. So now for the kajal and for something under the eye, first I'll start with this. This is by Clinique. This is the Quick Liner Eye Intense pencil, and it has a smudger at the back. That's what I love about this. I'll just apply a little bit. I do this before I put my kajal in the waterline. Then I take the smudger and I smudge this. So you get kind of a look like this. It's not complete, but just to start with. Then I'll do the second eye. So yes, after this, what I do is I put some kajal also. Magic kajal. This is for 290 rupees. So I'll put some kajal also because I want that bold eye look. So just now, if you don't want to get it this bold, maybe you can skip this step. But if you want that bold smoky look, then yes. So now comes the contouring of the face. So for that, I'm using this from Sugar. This is for 399 rupees, and this is shade number 1, Top Topper. So I'm using this. It comes in 2 shades. I'm using this particular one. Now contour is very nice because you know you can define your face the way you want to define your face. Like if you feel you want to just give yourself a more chiseled look, maybe to look like you don't have a double chin, just to make your face look a little sleeker, this is magic. One of my favorite things. Put your brush, take some contour, dust it off, all the excess will go. It's rather better to take less and then build up. Otherwise, if you get too much in one go, you may not like it, and then you'll have to remove it and reapply it. So first over here, because I want to just make my face look a little thinner and give it a more chiseled look. Okay, so same thing the other side. Now I'll take some more and put over here. This will give the look as if you have a nice thin structured face. And underneath over here. And contour my nose. Contouring complete. You can also do your forehead if you feel you have a very receding forehead, a broad forehead. I don't, so I don't do anything with my forehead, just over here. After I contour, I also like to add a little bronzer. So for that, I have this palette by Laura Mercier. This as well I bought when I was traveling. It has this beautiful highlighters. It has a gold, it has like a silvery pinkish kind of a tone, and has this deep bronzer. I love this palette, I swear by it. So after this, I want a little bronzer also today, since it's a festival. So you want to add the little extra bronzier highlighted look basically. Just take very little because this is a very dark color. I just need a little more product. And and there you go. Done. Bronzer done. So after the bronzer is complete, next step is to put blusher. So I'm using this from Chanel. This is a pinkish tone, but we'll make do with this. Take a little bit. So you don't need to invest in too many brushes if you don't have. One is more than enough. Just on the apples of your cheek. Smile a little bit. Little on the forehead. And on the chin. Done. Now it's highlighter time. One of my favorite things to do. So now comes the highlighter. I'm using the Laura Mercier gold, and you have this pinkish silvery tone. So I think I'm going with a little of both. So nicely on my brush, just over here. Wow, just see this. Instantly your face glows and looks very nice. So I'll do the other side also. A little there, a little on your nose, on your forehead, upper lip, and since I like highlighter, I just put a little all over for that extra glow. Now, since I'm wearing this blouse with my ghagra, so I'll put some over here on the collarbone. And now I'll just put little highlighter over here. Take the smaller brush, put it in this and a little gold, dust it, and there you go. Highlighter done. One point I forgot to tell you all is when you're starting your makeup at that time, just put a little lip balm and leave it on your lips. So by the time you're ready to apply your lipstick, your lips are very soft and moist and nice to apply your lipstick. So it won't be dry. So I haven't done that then. So I'll just do a little now. Just dab it on my lip. I'm using this lip liner by Givenchy. And this is number 9. It's mocha color. This is for approximately 1,895 rupees. It's available on Nykaa. Today I'm using a brown shade. Lip liner done. The reason why I use a lip liner is to prevent the lipstick from bleeding or smudging. So that is why I use a lip liner. So now I'm going to fill it in with the lipstick. For lipstick, today I'm using this from Christian Dior. This is from the Rouge Dior collection. So now I'm going to give you a little tip on your lipstick. Should you want your lipstick to be nice and matte and last longer, all you need to do is that's one. After doing that, you take your tissue, put powder on your brush, now this will make your lipstick last longer. Just a quick little tip. So now, since I want a nice glowy, goldeny look, so I want to add some gold on my lipstick also. So what I'm going to do is just take any little gloss you want, just touch the center of your lip. Take your highlighter, your finger, some gold, there you go, nice goldeny look. So now after you finish doing everything, you need to set your makeup. So for that, I'm using this Maybelline makeup fixer. So this is the lasting fix. It's a matte version. So since I have oily skin, I always need things which are matte. So all you need to do is shake this well. You get a lot of brands, all have makeup fixers. Shake it well. Keep it far from your face. Keep it far and then just spray. That's it. Give it a minute. It will set and fix your makeup and keep everything in place. So now makeup is almost complete. I'm just doing the finishing touches and I'll be back in a second. So I've completed it. My chumkas, little bindi, and I'm all ready. This look. So do try it. Do let us know how you liked it. Do subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up if you like this video. Share this video with your friends and family, and do comment and let us know whether you like this look, and if you want more such looks in the future, we will be happy to do it for you all. So till the next time, bye and thanks for watching. Bye.